This is amazing. If you don't make this, you're a dumbass.
Leftover turkey. Let's turn it into comfort food magic. This turkey pot pie starts with tender turkey, homemade gravy, and a mix of leftover and frozen veggies because easy matters. Instead of a crust, we're topping it with fluffy, gluten-free Cheddar Bay biscuits baked right on top until golden. It's cozy, hearty, and the kind of meal that makes leftovers feel brand new. New over. Boom. One pan, big flavor, zero waste. Trust me. Make your kitchen magic. Okay.
Alrighty then. I love a good homemade pot pie. I'm trying to get the whole thing, and I need a knife. I need to nip it. That gorgeousness. This is delicious with my homemade gravy, my leftover turkey, all fresh whole ingredients. You need to make this and make your kitchen magic. Let's eat.